Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on the trial again. Yasenzo Meyiwa at High Court in Pretoria. How? uRamasipela manje usethi hayi bengayazi phela igama lale yabhiyedo obuyisho le okuloko kuba ngaphansi la just before islave bengayazi. And also, mina at school, they taught us about law. They didn't teach us about beard. They didn't teach us about all sorts of beards. Tina, they taught us about law. Guys, I was just like, I'm just like, wow.
Yabona, the way you can in the guys is so invested in lies and believing what he wants to believe. Umnisi was just looking at him yesterday. He was just like he is so surprised by this guy. I think we're used to it by now. We're not surprised anymore. But Umnisi Wombon is like, what? Who are you? Like, he was defeated and tired. When Ukininda was just like, no, Ulongwe, he's not a person of interest. Jani, guys, when he was in the house, how? And then he went on to say, Ukeli will arrest. But every time you say that, and be like, she's a mastermind. But I'm just like, guys, it's so exhausting. This case, it's just like, why? Safika ninda. Ngibone leyo nto. Guys, zikhona ezinye izinto ofeel ukuthi okay, maybe this could have happened. But see, oval shaped beard, kantanzi. Do you think that's even? Hi, there's nothing like that, guys. I'm just like, Nkanzi was 25 years old. Besides ukuthi awubi na beard una 25, uba nayo yebo. Depending abantu, people don't grow the same. They don't grow the same abantu. But my thing is that Tanzi had no beard. Gege. Phela yazi ukuthi ngicela ukuxela ukuthi yabona uBrigadier Kininda guys has created people. Wabenza, wababumba. Basically ngesizulu, ubabumbile for his own sake. So that we believe him. This whole gosh that he continues to tell us. Doesn't echo. You create people who ubaqhume guys. Abawona ubumba labantu. Why would you do that? You can't just create people the way you want and then we must believe you. No, please, I don't believe this guy at all. He lies. Like, guys, you can't lie the whole day. Like, it's impossible. Like, who even does that to themselves? I'm just like, Ukininda needs to stop at some stage and be like, Nama, I am so tired living a lie. And in a corner of Ulongwe and is limping. Like how Attorney Ramasipile was saying, guys, we don't care. Those people must come to court. How Attorney Ramasipile was saying, he's still alive and kicking. There's nothing wrong with him. He can speak for himself. He must just come to court. Abonanje, my thing is dirty, guys. Going forward, actually the whole of the defense must just concentrate on Longwe coming to court and Daba, including Okeli Khumalo. Like I said, guys, I need to know how she goes on, right? She came. When I got in pants, what's you guys? Komba, they accused all of them. You've ruined my family's life. I was just like, bruh, but please stop. Who does that? Just sit down and testify. That's all you came for here. Her performances, guys, the drama, La Family, the Khumalos are rotten to the core. Guys, Ukininda wouldn't do this unless there was an envelope, a brown envelope that was coming every month. Unless they were paid monthly. This is impossible. And it's just like, I will do it until the end of time. I'm not stopping. Angnanda about what are things. I don't care about Balui. I don't care about anyone. This is for me. Because really, which means Bambizala vele sighting. But Silalela, you'll just create everything. We don't care about 375, the people that were in the house. We don't care. And you've been a police officer all your life. And I think he was a colonel then. He just became a brigadier in Jaksikdala during the case. Guys, you are an investigating officer, leading investigating officer. But what have you done for us? Like there's nothing that you know. Oh Mukano, no Mukale, but when Zofige court and tell us the stuff. But every time that happens, you don't tell us anything. Mind you, this bag of money that you created, some photos that you created, no accused number 5, like, honestly, hi guys, Uprikati Akinenda is really, really unfair to these families. 5 families, guys. So many people. When you won, and you think you're gonna get away with this. This is really, really uncalled for, actually. And also this oval-shaped beard that he made up. I'm jealous, guys. He's tried to grow like a goatee encanyana. Hayi phela leka Ramusipilo ayibona beard, like it's like full on. Oh guys, and then manje I'm forced for the oval-shaped one. That beard inga exist. And what's crazy is that it was also argued at the time kuthathwa ithombe zabantu, abantu beboshwa and all of that. There's no photos. Zikantanzi ezishoyo ukuthi ngempela lo muntu wayene oval shaped. Yile ebancane la just before the chin, just after the lip. Hey guys, I'm kidding, that needs to stop at some stage. Unkosikazi wakhe samkhuzi guys. Ney'ngane bathi ayibo babayeka phela manje. Izilento yenzayo phela izophumela nakuthina thina sisafuna. Hey guys, at some stage you must be stopped, this guy.
Guys, you know what's crazy? As they are talking, Obrigati Akinenda no Attorney Ramusipil. He thinks he's smart, this guy. That's the problem. And he forgets to Laban defense, they know they are stuffy. When are you still studying law? But you think you can actually outdo them. He's got that thing. You could say, oh, I will show you flames, eh? Bamboo. Umnis was just looking at him this week. Like, okay, just continue with your lies. But I promise you, Umnis, he's going to call long. And we are behind him. We support him all the way. He must just call long way, guys. Actually, everyone who was in the house, especially Ulo, like I said, long way. Ndomzo no kill. Because Brigadier Bongani Kininda continues to lie about this hoodie and forcing. But yeah, it wasn't Danzi. What must happen? It wasn't Danzi. Oh, I guess. Hayi kubalo ke interjects ke abe umuntu othi no, you can't be asking Kininda izinto cause esho ku Attorney Ramusipile cause already sewake wabuzwa lezo zinto before. So please stop doing that because it's actually unfair. That's how Ubalo put it. Abese ethi Ramusipile no. He has a mouth. Kininda. He must answer if you want to answer. Guys, those people it's just crazy, guys. There in that court, I tell you. As even another court that I saw in China. Those people are crazy. Ba jump on top of each other. But I still feel good. I was, guys, by a cup. Bawes. Ramusipile was like, if you are going to answer anything, can you just answer it, please? Because you do actually have a mouth. Zodwa Gladness Khumalo Magakheli came out naye there. This is the same person who can't even go to Senzo's mother and say, I'm sorry, mtananko wayfikile kwami njobe sedudulo. Yo. Wamuzu makasenzo meyo masekhuluma ngomagakheli. Athi uyinzala abantu. Umuntu onjani lo? Ongakwazi ukungitshela ukuthi umntana at least ke esephangalala esehamba emhlabeni ukuthi at least wayinjani. Say something about my child. Angithi wayefikile kwakho. No, sekuthiwa uNtomzodwa guys wayesekhomba abantu. Asabantu bangena kwakhe njengalo mntana wakhe lo abathuzandi. Akho umuntu owangena lapha kakheli Khumalo guys. Lo mama is making up stories. Wenzani uvikela lezi ngane zakhe zamantombazane eziwu2. Ku right into ayenzayo kukho right. Uma Senzo Meyiwa said it. There was a time when uKelly Khumalo in her TV show, mina ngayibuka kayi2 ngayibiyekela because I couldn't. I was just like, at the end of the day, now uhambula lo Senzo ngithi ene uSenzo ayifikele kini. Remember, I've been repeating that thing, man. That's my line actually. Ukuthi uSenzo wayifikele kini. So thina simfuna kuwena. Masusubuka. Kahle. Ngiyambona ku Gladness, but Gladness has not been fine, guys. Akenzi izinto right lo mama lo. Why couldn't she just nje go ayeka Senzo Meyiwa and say I'm sorry? Umntana wakho washonela kwami. Ukubona leyo nto? Crazy things like that. Like umuntu onjani wena, do you even sleep at night? Cabanga i-identity parade wasn't done. Wavela wasukela nje abantu ongabazi wabacosha emgwaqeni. Hey yabo Kininda.
bayakwazi ukwenza guys. Hey, abona into yenza uKinindi angazi ngayiqalaphi. So ngoTumelo Madlala. Oh, hayi guys, yabo nje these people nje bavele baphenduka impuphu. And uSifiso May was actually said it before ukuthi yazi sometimes esaphuza uthi akasaphuzi manje. Mebehleli noTumelo athi ulongwe mesedakiwe. Guys, but manje Kininda they had to cook them. Babashintshe and tell them other things, and one of them ngathiwa a shower. Base be shower ukuthi hayi nina you're gonna have to change the story. Even on the documentary idoki that was done kaSenzo Meyiwe they were paid ukuthi they must say like this hogwash that they are telling us now in court ukuthi they were actually intruders in that house. Bese uKinindi adelele South Africa like you've never seen it. You know, it really amazes me, why would South Africans believe in that theory? There were no intruders in that house. I'm just like, really, bro? Like, who speaks like that? Oh, yeah, Kinindi. I'm telling you. Cool. Like, when you just like, I can do whatever I want. And I'm just like, one day I was doing an affidavit at a police station. Remember, I did say, if you've been watching this channel, I did say last year ukuthi ngase ngibuza ngo2023 ngabuza one of the warrant officers that was helping me ngasa ukungitshele uKinindi wayesuspendiwe at the time ngo November 2023 wathi hayi ususpendiwe lo muntu loyo. Ngase mina ngitshela uhola malini wathi brigadiers earn over 100,000 but ubrigadier usafuna envelope ebrown. Yabona greed imali. Oh man, you can be crazy, bra. Some people bangenza noma yini. Kinindi is one of those people. Uyabonakala nje, I mean, we don't even have to look Sambesbega. Who is one of those people looking in that or made a pact with uSatan. Like I said, ukuthi all these people made a pact. Zandile Khumalo, okay, Khumalo bahlaliswa phansi kwathwala lelani. Niyoze ningene egodini ayikho into eniyikhuluma. Kodwa kusalayo ayekho nama intruders ingenza abantu zaqanjolo uzungamanga ayikaze kube khona ama intruders in the house. To this day sifila ukuthi abantu abangana abanjani uTumelo Madlala noMthokozi Sithwala abangana abanjani childhood friends bakwenze kanje ungasekho emhlabeni when they know exactly what happened to you. Kanti nangu umuntu lead investigate ubrigadier Bongani Kinindi use the one who's like lalelani ngenini about who you're gonna be our people now. We own you. Nizoshalente lesisho yonathi. Guys, Atheni Ramusipili guys wes. Esethi I can't see handwriting Brigadier Kinindi. He writes like a medical professor. Hey, about the guys one page of Kinindi. Yema miyeke kodwa. Recess or not, must be ala uzosibona kahle lawa Kinindi. When they were asking him, Brigadier Kinindi, about Zandile Khumalo ukuthi is there a person that we parade combine mhlambe wathi amazi maybe wambona coming into the house? What you know, I'll have to check. I don't recall. You must message I don't recall angithi. I'll have to check and then come back to you. Check in. Otherwise you're paying angithi. You're going to be manufacturing and cooking. And uZandile Khumalo at the parade wayekhombela omunye umuntu. Guys, there's no one that came in that house. Afuna ukuthi kube yintanzi but uZandile ekhombela abantu akabazi. Guys, hayibo yazibona into enziwe labantu. Hey, ayikho right. Guys, uRamusipile the way he's so calm. Ngeke uzuthi ngicabangele the stuff that he says. He's saying the thing that I was telling you when uZandi came into court ne. Uzo testify. Bayihlalelo accused lapha ya. Uyaqhamuka ukuthi you guys, you don't know what you've done to my family. What's your hey racist? He came, sisters, on that day with crocodile tears. Guys, Ramusipile. Is in another level for me right now. Utwafia rama crocodile tears akuphiza ukhombana nontanzi la. Imagine. Guys, sizoke sime lapho ngizoqhubeka futhi with the proceedings zange 27 of June 2025. uRamusipile uthe my lord I'm not apologetic ngokuthi uZandile Khumalo wafika la wayikhalisa. Guys, like it doesn't give, eh?
uRamusipili is hot. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting this channel. Nginenye flu, guys, but I'm just like, as in, I am going to deliver. uRamusipili is just too hectic for me. Thank you so much, guys. Ngithanda over.